Okay, so what I've been doing is I moved some of my compost in another area where I just dumped a bunch of stuff I couldn't fit in my compost bins and had dirt over it. So I moved all of that over and into this patch right here. And I've been digging around it where there's grass and just planting it elsewhere so that the backyard has better grass. And you can see, so this is, well, I guess the worms like kind of left. I'm not gonna dig through this, but what I'm gonna do now is dump things I've been collecting to compost. So I'm just gonna dig it under here and then get soil from my garden bed in the front, which I'm converting into a patio, so I don't, but it's really good soil. So I'm gonna dump it on top and then I'm gonna put the asparagus here. Yeah, so that's the food scraps. And I've been digging around this to get the grass out and just popping them down in the yard so the grass would be fuller. Yeah, and then after the asparagus, it'll be like a little mound of a garden bed. This is the garden bed I was talking about. So you see how that soil looks really nice? And you see if you keep digging, it's clay. I'm in Virginia, so clay looks like this. But then you see over here, it's been nurtured for so many years. Totally different, right? Okay, so I'm gonna dig this out. So I just dug them up and I forgot how many I had. So I think this is one because the roots look big, and if it's chives, it should be showing already because all my other chives are showing, and they're the only ones that have really crazy roots, and these are thick roots. So I think this is it. And one of them still had its I forget what they're called, but they're stem with the leaf. So I looked out here, this one, so I could tell, yeah, this is it, and the other ones look like it. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, and then I have one that I forgot was on the other side. So I'm gonna grab that one, and so I would have 4 if it is correct. So this is one of the roots. Okay, so should I yeah, so I'm gonna grab the other one and then I'm gonna transplant them at the same time. So this one actually was just in the ground. The soil here was not good at all, but look how big they are. And it wasn't in a bed of onions, so I wonder if that's it. But also the other asparagus was crowded out by my tomatoes as well. So look how big this one got. So maybe if I give it good compost, maybe it'll bear something this year. This is the biggest one. The soil looks like it obviously sucks. And there's like basically no sun. But it is the biggest because it wasn't crowded. So these are the other ones, and that soil was so much better, but it didn't grow because it was overcrowded. This is my mound. There's 4 asparagus roots or crowns. And I'm really hoping it makes it. Now I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't have done this. So I have gotta figure out how to make this look better.